What are you doing for the rest of your life? Need help answering that? Look into Cascadia Tech Academy. Do you love working with computers? Why not see if a career in information technology systems, service and support is right for you? It's a hands-on 2-year program that teaches the basics of computer operation, help desk support, an introduction to Linux, Microsoft Office applications, and more. You'll earn college credit and industry certifications too.
It's a challenging, fun course. A lot of fun. Not too many classes I've taken that it's very hands-on. I plan going into the IT field when I'm finished with the ITS 3 course here.
So, if you want to learn more about the fast-paced world of computer technology, consider the Information Technology Systems, Service and Support program at Cascadia Tech Academy. Your future awaits. What are you waiting for?